guys, today I have a new box for you guys, and this is the new Trendmood Box. So homegirl made her own box. It's $39 and includes, I think, like 5 or 6 full-size products, and it even is going to include products that haven't launched or are launching that same day. So I thought that was really cool because that way you kind of get your hands on some items first. I saw a sneak peek, and next month is gonna have like a farsali. Let me know if you guys would want to see more of these. That way I can kind of know if I should continuously purchase these and do reviews for you guys or kind of skip on them. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in, and the box itself kind of has the tissue paper and her little logo, and then it has all the products in here. And I'm just going to really fast show you guys the products and then jump into the try on portion. I have been trying to keep my videos like really short and to the point for you guys. I know a lot of you guys appreciate that, so that's what we're doing. So first thing in here is the Ole Henriksen's Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. This is a very kind of lathery cream, kind of between like a cream and a gel formula, and it has a nice citrusy smell to it. This is new to the market and actually came out when her box came out, so I thought that that was really cool. It cleanses, removes makeup, and has orange, fruit water, and PHA. I absolutely love Ole Henriksen, so I think that this is going to be something that I'm really going to enjoy. The next thing, which I will show a little clip of me trying it on, is the Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Double Cream, and this is a 24-hour hydration. It targets fine lines, wrinkles, and has 3 sources of vitamin C. I have been struggling with like melasma around this area, so I've been really into using a lot of vitamin C to kind of brighten my skin. So I am all about this. When I saw that this was going to be in the box, I was like, yes. And basically just between like, I think one of these products, you are getting the price point of the box, so it really is worth the money. And this one is more of a thicker formula. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. It is kind of like an orangey shade, and it does just completely moisturize your skin and just sinks into your skin, even though it is a thicker formula. So I really enjoyed, I really enjoyed trying this, and it has like a cute little orange on the top as well. So I thought that that was super adorable. Then the next product in here is actually what I have on my lips. It's the In Beauty. It's their lip oil glaze, and I do try this on the try on portion. This is in Candy Apple, and it does smell really nicely. It's just supposed to give you like a natural color to your lips. It's supposed to plump them, and it has a juicy candy apple flavor sweetened with stevia. So oh yeah, it is nice. It's like nice and sweet, so you could actually eat this, I guess. It says that it has red root oil, pomegranate apple, and a plant-based plumping complex. So it's supposed to give you soft, plump, supple lips. So yeah, so I thought that that was really cute. A brand that I had never tried is in here, and you also get kind of like these little pamphlets as well that show you all about the product. So if you were going to do a review on it, you could actually do it. Next thing in here is the LC, which I have never tried anything from their brand either, I think. This is their velvet sponge, which looks like this. I do a try on portion, so I'll leave that for that. But basically it's kind of like the beauty blender. You wet it, dampen it, and then apply your concealer and foundation, and it does have a really sharp tip and then a big bottom. She got a big booty to actually apply your foundation with. And then the yeah, I think this is the next to last product is the Natasha Denona Mini Tropic, which is actually all over my eyes. I literally have every single shade, all 5 shades all over my eyes for you guys, and you will see that in the try on portion. So it has Mini Frost, Exotic, Laguna, Tiger Lily, and Zena. I thought that this was a very fun palette, so when I saw that it was going to be in there, I was excited because I rather have like really bright colors like this in a smaller format than a larger one, because I know I will never really go through them. So those are the 5 shades. You get a pastel purple, a bright blue, a dark shimmer green, a shimmer dark blue, a shimmer green, and a shimmer kind of like seafoam color. seafoam color. So those are the 5 shades in there, and I thought that they was really nice, the shades that are in there. I will let you guys know that just by playing around with them, I can see that there is kind of like a little bit of stainage on the eyelids, so I might get staining my eyelids from this blue. And then the last thing in here is something that I'll probably include in a giveaway. I'm always doing giveaways on my giveaway. I'm always doing giveaways on my Instagram, so definitely follow me down below on my Instagram. That's where I keep up with you guys. I'm really interactive with you guys for the most part, even though I've been lacking because of the holidays. But I try to be really active on there, so definitely follow me below. But I'm going to include this in a giveaway. That's why I didn't swatch it or try it on, and it's actually from Bite Beauty. It's a Power Move creamy matte lip crayon. It has African mango extract, and this is in the shade Pavlova. And I really enjoy Bite Beauty, but I have been kind of really decluttering and kind of really analyzing when I get products if it's something that I'm going to really use, or if not, you know, I want to start doing giveaways where you guys can enjoy some of the products that I'm receiving as well. So yeah, so this is the Bite Beauty that's in there, and I do feel like this is totally worth the price point of the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the try on portion so you guys can actually see me doing this look and applying my foundation with the sponge and using the lip plumper as well. So I dampened the sponge and it grew quite a bit, and I'm just gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm in the shade 305N, and this is one of my favorite luminous foundations, and I'm just going to use the bottom of the sponge. Oh, whoa. Okay, so let's just apply. Oh wow, this sponge, I feel like it gives more coverage than like the Beauty Blender, just off my initial impression. So this doesn't like absorb as much product as like the Beauty Blender does. So if you want a fuller coverage, then this is definitely going to be the sponge for you. I feel like the Beauty Blender definitely shears it out a little bit more than this one. And let me go ahead and try the pointed side with some concealer. I'm just gonna use the Jeffree Star one and just apply a little bit underneath here. And then use the pointed side. So you guys, I do feel like this pointed side is a little too pointed for my liking, just for underneath the eye area. It's just way too pointed for that under eye area. I just feel like I'm going to poke myself in the eye. So I just feel like that pointed area should be a little bit less pointy. It's like super exaggerate. But if you've ever wanted something that's super pointy that's gonna get like into every little crevice, then this is probably the way to go. It is nice and soft, but it just kind of, I don't know. I don't like the fact that I feel like I'm gonna poke myself in the eye. So the next products are the eyeshadow palette and the lip product. So I will be back with my foundation done. So next thing we're gonna play with is the Natasha Denona. This is the mini Tropic palette. I do not own the full size of this palette. Ooh, she is cute. These are like super fun, bright colors. So let's see what we come up with. I'm feeling kind of worried about this because there are basically no transition shades in these palettes. So I'm gonna start with the lavender here on the corner and try to use that as my transition shade. Let's see what mama can come up with. Whew. Today has been the day. Oh man. Okay, I had to fix my primer a little bit because I went and made breakfast and then it creased a little bit. So let's go ahead and put some of this lilac. Just gonna step out of my comfort zone a little bit and use these super bright shades. Really? Really? My dog just walked in here like he owns the place, which now he knows he's in second place because my son's the one who owns this place. Chill out, Rocky. Okay, so nice pigmentation, really nice blendability out there. Okay, bye. Okay, so the next color I'm going to use is going to be this pastel blue. I don't know where I'm going with this whole look. If you guys hear that loud noise, it's that my husband is putting together my son's Reyes gift or Three Kings Day gift, and it's a Jeep, so he is building it. So I'm just gonna pat some of this pastel blue here on the outer lid. I have no idea where I'm going with this look. It might be a hot mess in the end, but kind of just is what it is. And then we're just going to blend those. Woo. Okay. Now I'm just gonna take a brush and try to blend those together. Maybe add a little bit more of that purple in between. Just blend. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to use is going to be, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the dark blue next. Let's see if that even looks right. I don't know. So it's a shimmery dark blue shade. And it's not applying too pigmented. I think it just depends on the brush. Sometimes some brushes work better than others for certain products. Okay, next we're gonna take the aqua shade and apply that to the inner corner and blend that into the blue and up. This, I don't know where it's going. I'm not sure if I like it, but we'll see in the end how it turns out. And then for our lower lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and what the hell, just use the green underneath there. Just making this super, super colorful using every single shade that's in here. You don't get no more tropical than this. Okay, so here is the finished eye look. This is super bright and super colorful. I don't think I would wear this like on a normal basis, like for work or something. I'd probably just pick one or two of the shades to kind of incorporate into my eye look. But it didn't turn out as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Once I applied my lashes, I also applied this LA Girl liner to my inner rim, so just kept it really bright and fun. Let me know what you guys think. I really like the palette. All the shades in here worked really nicely. The dark blue is the one that I mainly had issues with. It kind of is more of like this weird creamy formula. Hopefully you guys can see that in the pan. Like the way it looks, it almost looks like I wet it and I didn't wet it. So just a forewarning on that, but I feel like most of the shades in there really worked out nice, especially because I thought that like the Tropic palette, I got like really mixed reviews from people. So I'm glad that now I have the mini and it works really, really nicely. And the lashes that I applied are the Sassy ones from the On Fleek box, which I will have a review soon coming for you guys on that subscription service. So next thing that I'm going to try is this In Beauty Project. I've never tried anything from this brand, and this is in Candy Apple. It's a glaze #1 lip oil, and this is what it looks like. It is a little thick bottle, and let's see what this, okay. Oh wow, that applicator is totally different. She's a little chunky one. That is really like, I think it's really nice for someone who might have lip fillers, but it's pretty big for my lips. And it does smell like candy apple. And just a very moisturizing lip oil. I really like the smell of this. And the applicator is kind of like a fuzzy little applicator, so it's like nice and soft against the lips. But I mean, it's pretty big. So just a very nice moisturizing. It kind of gives like a little hint of red to the lips. So I think that that would be good for like, if you're on the go in a rush and you just need a little something on your lips, you can put that on. And then the next thing is another lip product. It's by Bite Beauty, and this is the Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Pavlova. So I actually really like Bite Beauty, and this is the shade right here. It is like a dark cranberry shade, which I don't think it's something that I'm going to get a lot of use from. Let me see if I already own this shade, to be honest with you guys. So I don't own this shade, but I don't think it's a shade that I will use a lot, so I'd rather just give this away in a giveaway or something like that. So definitely follow me on Instagram, because it'll probably be included in my next one. So I'm not going to swatch it or anything, but that is the shade. It's kind of like a dark cranberry shade. And then the last thing in here is a little, what is this called? It's a little Oh, a fortune cookie. So it has a little fortune cookie in here. And I think I might just open it to see my fortune. And it says, oh, it isn't a fortune. It just says happy holidays from Trendmood. So I was hoping that it would have like a cute little fortune in there, but it doesn't. But that's cute that she included her brand in there. So overall, I have to say I like this box. Everything in here is something that I would use or give away or something like that. I do like the fact that she does show previews, so you kind of more or less know what's coming in the box, which is really nice as someone who does videos, because of the fact that that way I'll know, like, am I gonna give something away? Is it something that I can do like a dedicated review on, things like that. And that's what's innovative about her box, is that it actually is going to include products that are launching the same day, or even you're getting it before it launches. So I think that is really, really cool. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do you guys want to see more of these Trendmood unboxings? I'll definitely do those. Leave it in the comment below. Like this video if you like it, dislike it if you don't like it. I love the feedback from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button. At the end, I will have other videos available for you guys if you want to keep watching some of my content. And yeah, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.